A grand jury will convene tomorrow to determine whether charges are appropriate against this officer involved in the shooting death of Michael Brown. This before the toxicology results are even back on the young man. And a movement is growing now to boot the four-time elected prosecutor off of this case, suggesting he cannot be fair in this matter since his own father was a policeman who was killed by a black defendant in the 60s. The petitioners claim that he cannot be trusted to obtain, quote, justice. Meanwhile, Eric Holder will arrive in Ferguson tomorrow, where he has already dispatched the, quote, full resources of the Justice Department. So can he be trusted to obtain justice in this case? J. Christian Adams is a former Department of Justice attorney who worked for Eric Holder, and he is author of the book Injustice, Exposing the Racial Agenda of the Obama Justice Department. Chris, good to see you tonight. And so they want this Missouri prosecutor booted off the case. He says he's not going, by the way. He's been elected 4 times. He's been there since 1991. It's a predominantly black community that is electing him, including when he ran the last time against a black opponent. But they somehow don't think in this case that he can be fair. But should they be trusting Eric Holder to be fair?
Of course they shouldn't be trusting Eric Holder, Megyn. Look, this is an attorney general who has carried around in his wallet for 30 years a quote that says he shares common cause with the black criminal. I mean, this is an attorney general.
What?
Yes, it's in my book. This is an attorney general who has a civil rights division that has been engaged in a war against police departments around this country. There was proven misconduct, for example, in a case against the New Orleans Police Department that boggles the mind. It was so grotesque that this civil rights division, the exact same one that is now flooding the zone in Missouri, is going to be looking at that they did things in New Orleans that are so off the charts illegal that a federal judge scolded them with a 120-page opinion. They cannot be trusted. They're ideologues. They do not like the police. They work at the Justice Department because they want to do these kind of cases. So no, Eric Holder cannot be trusted.